Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's study about past perfect continuous tense. So let's start. Now what is past perfect continuous tense? It is the tense that is referred to the situation or action that started in the past and continued for a period before another action or point in the past. Means it is started at some point in the past and it continued for a period of time. For a period of time, it is continued till the another action take place. Let's see. Let's understand the tense with some example. I had been studying for hours before the exam. Means I have started studying from this point till my exams. Okay. See, we have two situations here. One point I have started studying and I keep on studying until my exams. So these type of tenses are called past perfect continuous tenses. Now see how to write the past perfect continuous tense. See, first of all, subject, then had, then been, then ing form of the verb, and then the rest of the sentence. For example, Maratha means the subject, then had, been, walking. Walking is the ing form of the verb walk, and then the rest of the sentence. So we have easily created the sentence in the past perfect continuous tense. Now, uses of past perfect continuous tenses. First of all, ongoing action before another past event means we have one action going on. We have one action that is continuing until a specific point or specific moment in the past takes place. For example, they had been working for hours before the power went out. Means before the power went out, they had been working. Okay. So we have an action before another action takes place. Second, emphasize on duration. It highlights the time spent on an action. Means for how long the action was taking place. For example, she had been studying for days before the exam. Means she had been studying for days. See, it is the duration here for how long she was studying. So it emphasizes on the duration. This tense is also used to show the actions or events that are interrupted by some another event. Means these are interrupted by some another action in the past. For example, I had been waiting when the bus finally arrived. Means the waiting was over when the bus arrived. Okay, the waiting was interrupted by the bus. Next, background for past events means provides background for another actions. Like the team had been practicing all weeks before the match. So the background here is the practice. The team was practicing all the weeks before the match. Okay. Next. Now let's see the time expressions that are used with the past perfect continuous tenses. First of all is for. She had been studying for 3 hours before the dinner. For how long she was studying? She was studying for 3 hours. Next is since. They had been living there since 1990. Means since. They have started living from 1990. Before. I had been working hard before the exams. Until. She had been waiting until he arrived. All day, all week. We had been cleaning all day when the guests arrived. Now you know how to use the past perfect continuous tense. Keep practicing and we will see you in the next grammar video. Thank you.